Hey creators, real talk. If your brand message isn't clear, your audience isn't confused, they're gone. But don't panic. In today's episode, we're doing a quick brand clarity check. I'll walk you through 3 signs that your message might be missing the mark and how to clean it up without overthinking it. So if you're ready to stop losing your audience and start connecting with the right people, this one's for you. Welcome back to the Leopard Shoe Diaries, the podcast for content creators ready to stand in their spotlight and make their mark. I'm your host, Michelle, and today we're following up on last week's episode where we talked about why your brand message matters. Now that we covered the why, let's dig into the what, as in, what are the signs that your brand message needs some love and how to fix it? If you've been feeling like your content isn't landing, or like people don't get what you do, or you're tired of rewriting your bio every week, stay with me. This episode is your mirror and your roadmap. All right. Sign 1 is someone asks you what you do and you either freeze or fumble. Your brand message might not be clear. I've done this before. I'd go on and on trying to sound smart or say something that I do, and halfway through, I wasn't even following it. Here's how to fix it. You need a core brand statement. Keep it simple, and it goes something like this. I help who achieve what through how. For example, I help content creators grow their personal brand through storytelling and simple strategy. Let's do a quick check right now. Can you say your version of that in one breath? If not, no worries. Just jot down your messy version and we'll refine it later. Sign number 2. You're posting, creating, and showing up, but it feels like it's falling flat. That usually means that your audience don't know why it matters to them. Maybe you're leading with features instead of impact, or you're so in the zone that you forget to translate your value into their language. Let's fix it. Lead with what's in it for them. I once had a business mentor that used to teach us that everyone has an invisible sign around their neck, and that sign is what's in it for me. So use that. Turn it around, because you need to speak their language, solve a problem, ease a pain point, or speak to their future self. For example, instead of saying, I offer coaching, try this. I help you unlock your creative potential so that you can finally unlock the brand you've been dreaming of. Let's do a quick check. Scroll your last 3 posts. Are you telling people what you do or why they should care? Sign number 3. This last one got me good back in the day. Your message changes depending on where you show up. Your website says one thing, Instagram says something else, and your podcast intro, well, she's in a different lane altogether. Let's fix it. Create a mini brand message guide. It could be 3 bullet points. 1, your core statement. 2, your 3 value pillars. And 3, your brand voice. Use it to check yourself before you hit publish. This keeps your audience from having to play brand detective. Do a side-by-side of your bios and intros across platforms. Are they telling the same story? Listen, it isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent and clear. The moment your brand message starts clicking for you, it starts clicking for your audience too. So if any of those signs made you go, "Ooh, that's me," don't worry. It means you're aware now. And awareness is the first step to transformation. Now, if this episode helped you out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and share this with a fellow content creator who's finding their voice too. And hey, if you really want to test your clarity, drop your 1-sentence brand statement in the comments below. I'd love to cheer you on. Next week, we're going even deeper. I'll help you find your why, even if you're still trying to figure it out. It's the heartbeat of your brand, and I promise it's not as scary as it sounds. So until then, stay bold, stay clear, and it's time for you to make your mark.